Hello everyone, my name is Asim Gufar and are you watching my YouTube channel CubixSol. So today our topic is SEO series part 5. In this slide, in this video basically we'll learn the off-page SEO. SEO divided by basically two parts is the on page and the second is the off page. On page is a quickly overview is like we doing inside the website like make sure the keywords, optimize the website, optimize the images, and link one blog to the second blog. So off page is a totally the different. So we basically work on the other website like a guest posting, generate a blogs or link to our website, and the guest posting, backlinking. So hopefully Shifa explain in detail. Please Shifa, can you explain?
So first of all, hello everyone. In the last video, I just skipped a slide that mentioned many main topics. So I just wanted to first go to that and then coming to the off-page one because obviously we have
Yeah,
to cover
sure.
every component for that.
Yeah, it's better than
So
we'll
let's
not
just
miss any single slide.
yeah. Sure. So the topic is duplicate content and rich results. Obviously, this is one of the biggest problem of typical content. So now let's discuss it. Sometimes a website can have two URLs that contain very similar or almost identical content. Search engines may not know which version should be treated as the main version. So this is where our canonical tag can help. A canonical tag tells Google that this is the main or the preferred version of this page. You may see it written as rel is equal to canonical. This helps search engines understand which version should consider the primary one. Okay, so now coming to the main structures data. The final topic in the presentation of the last thing that we missed is structured data. It also called schema. Schema is basically additional code that helps search engines understand the information on your page. It can sometimes help your page become eligible for rich results or some good results. For example, you see things like star ratings, FAQs, reviews. That is very important if you buy something or if you taking that services. You always look to that reviews one. Even I did always. So other information directly in search results. So technical SEO is most about what happens behind the scenes. User may not see all these technical elements directly, but they can make a big difference in how search engine assess and understand your website.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now coming to the point. Yes, sir.
Yes, please start the off page SEO.
Okay, so now coming to the point, yes, sir, guided about your off pages. Yeah, off page is a very important thing, and make your notes ready if you wanted to note anything important related to that. So, as far we are talk about SEO fundamentals, key research on page, technical SEOs, now we are moving to a step ahead on our own website. So, first of all, what is off page SEO? In very simple words, off page SEO means activities that happen outside your own website but can influence your website's reputation and visibility. And your website visibility and reputation is everything in that. For example, another website mentioned your business or links to one of their pages. That activity is happening outside of your website, doesn't link with that. You can think of about off-page SEO as building your website reputation on the internet. You know, references are so important, so you always need that in your websites. What backlinks? Backlinks can help this a lot. One of the most important parts of off-page SEO is backlinks. A backlink is simply a link from another website to your website. Think about it like a recommendation. Think about like a reference. Imagine you're looking for a good restaurant and trusted friend recommends on you. You may trust that recommendation. So a backlink work in a similar way. When a relevant and trustworthy website linked to your content, it can make a very positive signal. But remember, not every backlink has the same value. The quality and the relevance of your website linking to you very matter. So, next, do follow, no follow. These are the some terms that you have to be learned. These are two kind of terms, do follow and no follow. A do follow link can pass link equality or authority signals to your websites, and a no follow obviously link generally tells search engines not to pass the same kind of ranking credit. However, no follow links can still be useful. They can bring traffic, visibility, help your backlink profile more natural. So don't think that every no follow link is useless.
Mm-hmm.
So sorry for this delay. So this is what I'm talking about. So domain authority and domain rating. So now we are going to talking about what are these both terms. You may also hear terms like DA domain authority or DR domain rating. So don't confuse by these ones. These are just the abbreviations. So these are the third party metrics used by SEO tools to estimate the strength or authority of a website. These are usually shown on the scale of 0 to 100. A higher score generally means that the tool considered the website more strongly. But don't make the mistakes of thinking like higher DA automatically means better backlink. There's not such things. Relevance and equality are more very important. For example, if we go for the highly
Uh,
relevant website in your
Shifa, is the DA and DR is based on the traffic or the another website link to our website? This DA.
basically these are the authorities that we given to the references that uses our link somehow.
Okay, okay.
So obviously, what authority you want to give, how you have to proceed your backlinks, that's really important because that make your references stronger. If a good reference give good reputation and a bad reference give a very bad reputation, so that's why we have to be careful with that.
Hmm.
So now going to the next slide. So do you have some words about this thing?
I'm add one tip, guys. When you add your backlinking, so make sure the other website where do you add your backlinking. So check the other websites. The DA and DR is a very important. If the backlink is a very bad website, so is a down your website as well. So don't buy any or like add your bad website backlink. Yes, Shifa.
Okay. Okay, so now we are going to another step: white hat link building and black hat link building. What? Okay, so now let's talk about the safe link building strategies. The first one is guest posting. So this means you write useful content for another website in your niche. If that website allows it, you may get a link back to your website. And the important thing is that the content should actually provide value. So it should be good and authentic. Next is broken link building. Imagine you find an article on another website that contains a link that no longer works. You have a useful article that could replace that broken resource. Means you can contact the website owner, suggest your content as a replacement. Another strategy that is also one of the most used strategies are digital PR and HARO style journalist outreach. I know this digital PR knows everyone knows about these kind of terms in different words, but what we relate to that is that the idea is to become a useful source for journalists or publications. Publications is a great voice to your work a lot. If a journalist use your information, they may mention your business or websites. So this is the three strategies to give best link strategies. Safe link strategies is the white hat strategy. So you have to use these three kind of strategies for that. So now coming to the other one, black hat warning. Obviously this is like a little bit scary right now with something kind of alert, but let's discuss this one. But now we need to discuss what we should avoid. Like this is not avoiding part right now. One example is that I'm just starting with examples. PBNS, private block networks. A PBNN can involve creating or controlling multiple websites mainly to create backlinks and artificially increase authority. This type of manipulation can violate search engine guidelines and can risk a serious risk. So you have to be careful with that. You may getting the ranking improvement from some time, you may getting your traffic for some time, but you later face ranking drops or penalties. And right now for the SEO word, penalties are not a good word.
Yeah.
So my advice is simple is that don't try to trick Google. Build the real authority. Create useful content, build relationships, get mentioned by relevant website with the same niche. Obviously, if you're having a restaurant one, you have to contact with the food bloggers. You don't have to contact with some doctors or with some engineers. You have to go be in your same lane, niche. This is a very important thing.
One thing I should to add on this slide. So guys, maybe you hear the two different words, black SEO and the white SEO. So it's a totally different topics. So white SEO we already learned, off page SEO, on page SEO, local SEO. So black SEO means the use of bots like VPN servers. so is not a good approach. So definitely he's boost your website in a one single day, but the second day or maybe couple of day back your website should be down. So be positive and make sure the proper plans and do a white SEO, not a black SEO. So we on this slide and the difference we learn strategies, black hat strategies and the white hat strategies. So make sure the two big difference.
Yeah,
So guys,
sure.
if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and hopefully do you like our series, and thank you guys.